Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a fun little swatch party video on two little Sephora eyeshadow palettes that I picked up. I hadn't really heard anyone talk about these and I saw them on the Just Arrives page and they actually have quite a few shades. Let me just double check here. There are 6 of these little palettes and they retail for $14 each, which I thought was a decent price point. And I bought the shades Bright Tones and Jewel Tones. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to swatching. How cute are these? I feel like Angelica would really approve of the size of these palettes. And here is what the Bright Tones looks like. I love this like blush shade, honestly. Like, or if it's a bronzer, I think it's like a blush shade for me, but I'm just gonna swatch these quick. Wow, that's pretty pigmented. Okay. And I'm sorry, I swatched a Stila palette just now and I think it stained my arm a little bit. So yeah, this is very much like the primary colors. So if you are doing some basic looks, I feel like this will be a fun palette for somebody to have. I wonder if you can like mix them and make like other shades, because there's a black and a white and a red, yellow, blue, and a green. So very interesting. There are the swatches of this little palette. So take a look. I'll go ahead and link these down below too in case you guys are interested in purchasing them. This one is called Jewel Tones. It reminds me a little bit of the Viseart, that matte palette they have. Some of the tones in here remind me of that. So, and a little bit Subculture-esque. And this mauve colored blush is gorgeous. But yeah, that Viseart palette definitely had like 2 oranges like this. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, and then the last row are all shimmers. Very pretty. Ooh, beautiful. That's a pretty gold color. And then they have like a very blue brown pigment, but it's like more of a green brown pigment. So there that is. Let me show you with the palette. Super duper cute. The other ones are all very neutrally, which is why I didn't grab them. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Do you guys see these palettes on Sephora? Did anyone pick them up? Or, you know, now that you've seen these ones, definitely check out the neutrals, because I think it would be a fun little palette for on the go if you like to keep some eyeshadow with you at work and stuff like that. I think this would be super duper cute, perfect size, perfect price point. So yeah, that's everything for this little swatch party. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.